Greetings. Today we will review First Alert Onelink Safe and Sound Smart Hardwired Smoke plus Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Please watch till end of this video, so we will help you to make the purchasing decision, and if this product is good or not. Few reasons good about this product. First Alert introduces Onelink Safe and Sound, an Alexa-enabled, Apple HomeKit compatible hardwired photoelectric smoke and electrochemical carbon monoxide alarm, featuring a state-of-the-art, omnidirectional speaker backed by First Alert's unparalleled reliability and equipped with the power of Alexa. Easy mobile controls. Get remote notifications of an emergency in your home for 24/7 safety. Plus track carbon monoxide levels, customize nightlights, and more, using First Alert's Onelink Home app. No more confusing beeps. Track battery levels in the app and optimize safety by knowing when it's time to replace them. AirPlay 2 enables a wireless multi-room audio system, creating an easy way to stream music anywhere in the home to different iOS and other AirPlay 2 compatible devices. Easy to install. Optimal ceiling placement enhances the speaker's acoustic quality. Make installation fast and easy by using the included AC adapter plugs to replace your existing hardwire alarms without rewiring. Alexa enabled. You can talk to Alexa on your Safe and Sound, and ask it to play music or podcasts. Interconnectivity. Unlike other smart combo alarms, Safe and Sound can connect with any other hardwired alarms in your home, including First Alert and non-First Alert brands, and can send a mobile notification for any detected emergency, keeping your whole home safe and connected. Buyer's rating by feature. Rated 3.0 for tech support. Rated 3.4 for sound quality. Rated 3.8 for easy to install. Rated 2.7 for value for money. Rated 3.1 for Alexa integration. 653 satisfied buyers. Overall 4.0 star rated. Let's see what buyers saying. We carefully analyzed hundreds of reviews from Amazon and selected few of critical reviews, which helps you to make your buying decision. For complete review, please check the link in description. $653 happy buyers. Best-selling product in market. Overall 4.0 star rated. 72% buyers has 0 complaints. Our final verdict is strong buy. Please let us know your valuable thoughts about our review video in comments. Also like and subscribe. Thank you.